What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I'm going to be doing a review of the Face ID of the Infinix Hot S3. So now here it is. If you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button below and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. Now let's get to it. The Face ID does not come pre-installed, so you have to get an update and install the Face ID. And when you install the update, you have an option for the Face ID. So now let's go into settings to set up the Face ID. If in settings, you go to security and locations, and you have under the fingerprint an option for Face ID. When you click the Face ID, it prompts for your PIN. Now also under the Face ID, you have Face ID management, add a face, so we're going to do that. So basically it just scans your face and that's pretty fast. So you have your Face ID, your face enrolled. So you can click if you wanted to use the face lightning, which is going to use the front flash to scan your face to give it a better picture. Now let's try the Face ID to see how fast it works. So we have this and it's open. Let's try it again. Yeah, and it's open now. Another time, another one. Yeah, it's open now. And let's try the fingerprint. Okay, that's faster. The fingerprint is actually faster than the Face ID. Let's try it again. Yeah, that's open. Close it. Open. Close it. Face ID. So now we're going to try out what's going to happen if I put on the glasses. So now we have it here. You can see I'm actually putting on the glasses now, and now I want to check out what's going to happen to if it's going to unlock with my glasses on. So let's try it, and it works. Try it again. It works. So now let's see if I put on a face cap to see if it will actually work. So I have a face cap on, and yes, it works. Let me show you that I have a face cap on. So this is me here, and let's try it again. Yeah, it works. So depending on your lighting situation, it will request for you to either put on the flash or it works without the flash. It depends on your lighting condition. But because of low lighting conditions, it's going to use the flash to scan your face. Yeah, finally it works. So I don't know which one you prefer. To me, I prefer the fingerprint to the Face ID because the Face ID is actually a two-step situation. You have to press the power button and then scan your face before it opens. But with the fingerprint, just put your hand at the back like this and it comes open. So drop your comments in the comment section. Tell me which one you prefer. Do you prefer the Face ID to the fingerprint sensor, or you prefer the fingerprint sensor to the Face ID? Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button below and also click that bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. After installing Face ID, you come here and you see your option for Face ID. Also, you prompted to type in your PIN and get the Face ID option. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop your comment, tell me what you would like me to do for the full review of the Infinix Hot S3. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Bye.